Ever wondered how recent 401k matching contribution changes could shift your retirement plan's landscape? The fluctuations in economic circumstances and the consequent evolution of financial systems have made it necessary to stay informed and adaptable. In a world that's constantly in flux, it's crucial to keep abreast of these changes. Information is power, and having up-to-date knowledge about the shift in 401k contributions can significantly influence the trajectory of your retirement plans. This knowledge is more than just data. It's a tool that can help you effectively plan and secure your future. Take hold of your future by equipping yourself with the knowledge you need. IBM, a key player causing ripples in the 401k domain, recently announced a significant change. This change is considered a big move in the retirement savings landscape and is garnering considerable attention. IBM, the multinational technology powerhouse, is radically shifting its strategy regarding employee retirement benefit plans. This shift sees IBM moving away from the traditional 401k matching contribution, a proven and reliable vehicle for retirement savings. Instead, they are introducing a brand new model, a 5% salary contribution to a newly created Retired Benefit Account, RBA. This RBA is a cash balance plan, a unique approach that's quite different from the standard. The RBA will function as a guaranteed saving mechanism where it will earn a fixed 6% rate for the next 3 years. IBM's recent decision signifies much more than a regular administrative adjustment. With this savvy move, the tech giant is transitioning from a fixed contribution setup to a flexible employee benefit structure. Essentially, IBM is ushering in a shift from maintaining retirement savings to empowering its employees to take control. This alteration revolutionizes their retirement planning methodology, also influencing their financial framework. By doing so, IBM is shifting the fiscal burden of retirement savings from its own books to its employees. In essence, IBM is transferring the weight of retirement savings from their balance sheet to those of its employees. As we delve deeper into this important shift in retirement savings, let's take a brief pause. If you're finding this video helpful and informative, don't forget to hit the like button. Your support helps us create more content like this. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll stay updated with our latest videos and discussions, ensuring you're always informed about crucial financial trends and strategies. Now let's continue our exploration of the potential impact this shift could have on retirement plans. Why does this matter to you? This shift is paramount because it allows IBM to free substantial amounts of money from its pension. This might inspire other firms with similar pension circumstances to follow suit, discontinuing contributions to 401k plans. This potential trend could have far-reaching effects. As companies cease these contributions, a new financial landscape for employees could emerge, potentially leaving many unprepared for retirement. This situation would be particularly difficult for those close to retiring, as they may not have the means or time to adjust their retirement strategy. If your employer is one of them, it could significantly affect your retirement. So what can you do to safeguard your financial future? Begin by examining your 401k contributions distribution. Any changes you find necessary may be due to the lack of an employer match. Think about upping your personal input into the fund to offset the missing contribution. This involves putting more of your private reserves into it. If you're looking for a compelling alternative to increase your savings, ponder about Roth IRA. It's a tool that not only provides growth but also tax-free withdrawals, which could be an option. Lastly, consider a Roth IRA as a savings vehicle. It promises tax-free growth and withdrawals. Remember, achieving retirement security requires constant vigilance. The certainty of your future depends on the actions you take today. Gone are the days when pension provisions were guaranteed. These traditional provisions might disappear, leaving us in a financial pinch as we approach our golden years. The landscape of retirement security is rapidly changing. Therefore, you must be observant, informed, and prepared to take decisive action. It is crucial to assume active control over your retirement savings. This implies being aware of the current financial trends, understanding how they affect your savings, and then making appropriate decisions based on that knowledge. Staying informed and being proactive in managing your retirement savings is more important than ever. In conclusion, IBM's decision to adjust its 401k contribution plan is indicative of a possible trend that might be noticed across other corporate entities as well. This strategic shift stands to put additional pressures on the employees, as they now bear the brunt of managing their retirement savings more robustly. It is incumbent upon each one of us to ensure our financial stability by taking strategic steps. The journey to financial stability starts with revisiting your current 401k allocation. This revisiting action will provide insights, which in turn can guide you towards enhanced financial planning. Thereafter, investigating other avenues for savings becomes vital. One such option worth considering is a Roth IRA. The benefits of a Roth IRA could potentially supplement your retirement savings. Always remember the power to shape your retirement. Before we wrap up, we'd love to hear your thoughts on this topic. Do you have personal experiences with 401k plans that you'd like to share? Maybe you've adopted a unique approach to safeguarding your retirement savings, or perhaps you're facing challenges in this area that you'd like us to address in future videos. We encourage you to leave your comments below. Your insights and questions not only enrich our community, but also guide us in creating content that's most relevant and helpful to you. So don't be shy, drop us a line. We look forward to hearing from you.